G'day guys, welcome back to another Salesvision video, Mindset 360 training, step 6. So it's the $1 Million Day. My take from the $1 Million Day is about clearing space so you can allow new things to enter your life and letting go of old attachments. So we can either clean out a closet or a garage. I don't have a garage, so we're going to get stuck into the bedroom, the closet in there. So I'll see you in a bit. As you can see, there's a little bit of, well, you probably can't see much, there's a bit of stuff in there. I've got all these visions, I've got to get rid of them so I can create new ones. There's some junk in there, so we'll try and sort this mess out and clear some space for some, new stuff to enter. And we'll give away these old clothes to some people who need it. Alright, we're back. So that's a light switch for those of you. Not sure why I've zoomed in on that, but anywho. So here's the wardrobe. Closet, clean out, whatever you want to call it. I think it's a little bit cleaner. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I know it's cleaner. That's definitely got a lot more space in it. I've managed to get a whole bag of clothes to give to people who need it more, which is going to be mint. If anyone knows how to get those little sticky things off, can you let me know? That'd be great. There I am. Happy days. So that's step 6 done. I was going to say something and I've totally forgotten. I don't know, but I'm having fun doing these videos. If you haven't clicked in the link, if you haven't clicked the link in, it's just lost my voice. I mean, I can't talk. Sorry, lost everything. Let's start again. So, if you have not clicked the link below and you haven't started doing the mindset training in Salesvision, get started. Heaps of fun. I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.